Alright, I guess you guys don't want to see my Zoom meeting. So, number 22 is saying a box has a square base and an open top, and it has to have a volume of 8,000 cubic inches. And it wants you to find the dimensions of the box that minimize the amount of material used. So here I drew kind of a net for the box. This is the bottom side, and these are going to all be the non-top sides. And I didn't add a base for the top because it's going to have an open top. So I'll need materials to cover this. Well, I'm going to need s squared to cover the base. And then I'm going to need to cover each of these rectangles. So that's going to take 4sh. Then I know the volume is 8,000, which is equal to s squared times h. So I can solve this equation for h and look to have it in terms of s squared. So h is 8,000 over s squared, which gives me m is equal to still s squared plus 4s 8,000 over s squared. And let's just think for a real quick minute. I could try to solve this thing for s, but that would get really hairy, because I would have to take a square root and it wouldn't be any fun. Instead, it's a lot nicer to take it in terms of h. So that's why I did it that way. So I have this m, which now is equal to s squared plus 32,000 divided by s, because this s cancels with this square. And I'm also setting this, not yet. Now I calculate m prime. M prime is 2s minus 32,000 over s squared, and that's equal to 0. Okay, so I want to solve this equation. So 2s equals minus 32,000, or sorry, now it's positive 32,000 over s squared. 2s cubed is 32,000. Divide by 2. S cubed is equal to 16,000. And here 16,000 isn't a perfect cube, so we need a calculator. So 16,000 to the power 1 divided by 3. Oops, I said divided by. To the power of 1 divided by 3 gives me 25.19. Roughly equal to 25.19 inches. And the problem asked for dimensions, so h, remember, was 8,000 divided by s squared. So 8,000 divided by this number squared is going to be, h is roughly equal to 12.6. Let's do 2 decimal places, 60 inches. And that's my answer there. So this will minimize the dimensions of the box. Or will minimize the amount of material that I need.